Here's how to check if your TV is using 444 Chroma or not. First is, go to the main settings of your television. Afterwards, go to the picture settings. On the picture settings, navigate yourself to the expert settings. Expert settings is located at the very bottom of the settings under the picture settings. Once you press on the expert settings, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the HDMI UHD color. What you need to do is to press on the UHD color. This is where you will see if your TV is using a Chroma 444. When you see that the toggle button on the HDMI is off, it means that your television is not using Chroma 444. But if it's turned on, it means that your television is using a Chroma 444.